Alright, this is a video of me going to the range for the first time with my new Smith & Wesson AR-15 Sport 2. Just about to get the iron sights together, make sure they zeroed in. I'm going to start off at about 25 yards, and then I'm going to go a little farther after that. Alright, check it out. Whoa, that had threw me off right there. I thought my gun had malfunctioned and shot to the side or something. But here's my target of my first 4 groups. The camera had actually stopped it before my last 4 shots. But here's the 4 groups. After like the second group, that's when I started making adjustments to the iron sights. And I think I pretty much got it adjusted after that. Okay, here's the next target sheet. The first group right in the center, that was at 25 yards. Then I took it back to 50 yards. And those groups are pretty good too on the bare eye. I didn't adjust it anymore after that. Maybe I will after my next range time. But that's pretty good on the first shot. These next Yeah, it started smoking at the end. Probably was that factory grease. I hadn't cleaned it yet. But here's the last target sheet. 50 yards, me standing up, pretty much shooting about as fast as the range would allow. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. All right.